Hello, my friend. Are your shoulder muscles so tight that you can strum them like guitar strings? Do you always get headaches? Then you may have knots in your shoulder. Don't worry, you are not the only one. Our friend Debbie has experienced this. Using the natural method, I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. Let's get started. Your left forefingers place at the back of the shoulder with your arm in this position and push it back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with your right forefingers, with your left arms and push it back 1, 2. As you grab your muscle, you may feel the knots in your shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5. With your left forefingers, the back of your shoulder again, in this position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right forefingers onto your left shoulder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left forefingers again, and with your arms and rotate it backward, 1, 2. Please follow my pace. You may hear some clicking. This is normal. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with the right forefingers, rotate your left arm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now with your forefingers and place under your arm and push it backward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right forefingers under your arms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands in this position and push it back, 1, 2. Stretch all the way back until you feel the tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time in this position and downward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your arms and vibrate it, 1, 2. Try relax your hands as you shake them. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop and push all the way back and hold that for 5 seconds. 1, 2. Please make sure that your elbows are behind your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax.